Hi friends, welcome to Best of Guru channel, and this is my first ever interview of influencers, bloggers, digital marketers, and so many online people. And in this first video, I am starting with my good blog buddy, and she is Yogita Agarwal Gupta. And when I asked her for an interview without any hesitation, she has accepted my request. I am very thankful for that. And before going into interview, let us tell something about Yogita. I have started my journey in blogging in 2015, but I don't know how to proceed into blogging, and I am very what you call strange about a blog and blogging. What is blog? What is blogging? Even I don't know what is a blog, bolke. So at that time, Yogita came to me and she has asked me for a partnership in blogging also. But I was so scared about the word itself, so I just asked her that give me some time. So after that, we have so many interactions, and my first guest post which I have done is in letuspublish.com. That is Yogita's main blog at that time, and she has got so many blogs after that, and she is also doing a vlogging. So she is very enthusiastic person and so passionate about blogging. So let us introduce Yogita Agarwal Gupta into our channel. Hi Yogita,
Hi everyone.
how are you doing?
Thank you for having me here. I'm so good.
So tell me something about you, Yogita, in a few words.
So most Guru, most of the know me actually as a blogger. I'm doing blogging for my decade now. So I started my blogging in 2009 actually,
Mhm.
and 19 already crossed. So
So you are
yeah,
six
I've been
years
blogging for my
senior
decade
to me.
now. It's not junior, senior. There are a lot of juniors, those are doing really better than me. So it's just the pace, maybe, and maybe the priority we have over the period of time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So yeah, I am these days. I'm into a lot of social media. I am. Me and Guru had a prior interview also. So that interview is live on his website. You must check that. And when he interviewed me at that time, I just started full time blogging, and it's been 5 years to that time also, and I am a very happy full time blogger, social influencer, whatever you call. I also started creating videos, but I always wanted to do that, and finally I started doing that. And yeah, now I'm a budding YouTuber, a social media person, and someone who is having 3 blogs, and I really want to manage them with all my passion and also that I can get all my readers and followers back.
Yes. So managing one blog itself is a very tough thing nowadays. But you have almost three plus blogs, if I am not wrong.
Yeah, I have 3 blogs. So the very first one is dreamtechie.com. Then I have letterspublish.com, the most popular one. And the recent one is he, she, and baby one. So yeah, and apart from that, YouTube, social media, and my little baby to take care of. I have many babies to take care of.
Yeah, yeah. I think you have recently married. And how is your
Yeah,
married life?
it's been
And
two
it
years.
has any effect on your blogging?
Not really. Yes, actually. It happens with most of the people. Like that happens because it's, maybe when if in case if I was working somewhere, maybe would have resumed my work after 2 months of marriage,
Yes,
getting
yes.
married and all, right?
Hmm.
But when you are someone who is self-employed, so new responsibilities, new family, to understand that there are a lot of travel and also work suffered a lot, and then suddenly they got pregnant, and then we have a baby here, and yeah, a lot of time went here and there, but now I think I will be back on the my blogs and all, and I'm doing almost everything that in the way how I always wanted to do. So yeah, that.
So how
It's
you
okay to
entered
take a
into
break of some months, I think.
Yeah, yeah. So how you entered into blogging? What motivated you to start a blog?
Okay, so I was, I mean, I didn't even know about blogging. I think blogging came to me actually. So I went for a job. It was a SEO trainee job. And most of you, in case if you know blogging, you know that blogs are the part of SEO. So from there,
Mhm.
I got to know blogging, and I was a hobby blogger. I just used to do that because I was sharing content. The people were coming, they were commenting, and I really liked that thing. So that's how I came into the blogging, and over the period of time, I don't know, I never knew that I will be a professional blogger one day.
So your past experience has helped you a bit. I
Yeah,
think
something over the period of time, I went with the flow, and yeah, that's how I turned out to be a blogger or a digital content creator.
yes, yes. So, what you say about blogging? If you somebody is watching this video now and they want to become a blogger, so what tips you can do for the new bloggers?
This is a very nice question. So, just in case if you are someone who want to be a blogger, who want to start a blog, you have to keep few things in my mind. First of all, you just can't start blogging just because other people are doing and their feed look interesting, or maybe they are traveling, so their pictures are looking interesting. Blogging is basically your interest, and just in case if you think you want to make money out of the blogging and you are that's why coming into the blogging, you will not be able to until and unless you can write good, you have a lot of patience, you know the skills how to promote your blog. Because even only after writing good content, you just can't get a lot of readers. You have to know SEO, you have to know promotional skills and all. You have to read a lot online about digital marketing, SEO, and all. So just in case if you want to be a blogger, you have to keep a lot of things in my mind, in your mind before starting a blog. And the most important thing is actually in the niche. You have to know what you want to write. I just don't want to say ki you just start a blog and then you don't know, how for how long you can talk about that particular topic.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
choose a topic that actually, very that entertains you most of the time. That entertains you. You just don't get bored from that topic. Choose that topic and then start blog. It could be personal life, tech, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, managing home, anything.
So you have a prior experience of SEO, and most of the bloggers are from SEO background or something like that. What of the persons who doesn't know about anything, just like me, 2015,
Who doesn't?
who doesn't even know what is a blog, what is SEO, just like me. So if that is the case, how we can build our career? Is there any opportunity that we can build a career in blogging?
I didn't get your question, but I think you're saying how about the people those who doesn't know SEO?
Yes, yes.
So I think this is very simple. Anyone can start a blog, and don't really need to be from the background of SEO. And even you just have to read about it. SEO is not really a very scientific thing and all. There are some basics, there are some technical things also, there are some tech supports also, and you can ask for your friends and someone who know, or maybe the expert you follow. Apart from that, I think a little bit of knowledge, keep updating yourself about Google search engine trends and all, and that's enough, more than enough.
Yes, yes. Because so many people think that I don't know the SEO, I don't know these things and all. They scared to come into blogging. Actually, blogging we can start as a passion also, even for money also.
Your voice is a bit less audible now.
Acha,
Can you
acha,
speak
1 minute,
louder?
maybe. Yeah, yeah. I think many people are scared to come into blogging because they feel that we need to learn so many things technically and all, and most probably that is the major reason they will quit blogging whenever they start blogging. So I think SEO is not a priority when you start a blogging. I think passion is more important, right?
Passion is definitely very important. It totally depends why you are coming into the blogging. Let me answer in that way. Because Abhi, there are a lot of bloggers, they don't have motive to make money. They just want to share it. They just want to share your content. They just want to share your thoughts, their poetry. I mean, they are also
Yes,
bloggers.
yes.
You just can't say they are not bloggers. But at the same time, let's say if you are coming to blogging to make money, by doing beauty product reviews, or maybe to make money through affiliate marketing and all. So of course, your purpose, your knowledge, blogging is basically, the. Excuse, I'm very confused. So you have to know what exactly you want to do from your blogging, right? Just in case if you are coming just to share it, then I don't think so. You need to know SEO and all, right? Just in case if you are kind of making a journal, right? You don't need to know SEO and all. I mean, it's basically the content, it's basically the thoughts that you are sharing, your pictures you are sharing. And just in case if you want it to, to reach a lot of people, to get a lot of comments, to make money out of it, then you need to know SEO, then you need to know digital marketing skills, then you need to know how to promote blog.
Yes,
And
yes.
most importantly, you have to be open about it. Like, let's say if you're posting picture of your travel, right? If you are, then you just can't be like, oh, I can't promote it, then people will see my pictures and all. So yeah, you have to be open from your mind.
Yes, yes. Open mind is very important. And coming to monetization, see, most people will come, majority of the people will be looking for how much I can earn. Is there any possibility to earn from blogging? Whether I can earn or not. This dilemma will be there in the initial days. And some people won't see any traffic or something in first 3 months, and as a seniors and SEO experts, we know that it will take 3 months, 6 months, or even 1 year also, depending upon the niche and all things. So, what about the new guys? So they expect some money. What is the decent income you can earn from blogging?
I think this is a very controversial question. Like, a blogger can make hell lot of money. I mean, I'm seeing a lot of people. They are making, lakhs of money in a month. But at the same time, there are people. Let's take it that way. In another way, the hobby blogger, I don't think so. They will expect any money. They just want audience. They just want their content to be appreciated, right? Then the people who actually came into the blogging just to make money, it totally depends on what kind of content they are creating, what kind of strategies they have to make money, and their money, their income will actually depend on that. So, let's say if you are doing blogging and you want to do affiliate marketing, if you do the right SEO, you can make lakhs of, you know, rupee lakhs. You can earn lakhs by doing simply some blogging, sharing the links of the affiliate product, and then the product will get sale, and then you'll get the commission. Apart from that, there are a lot of sponsored post options. When you have a good traffic on your website, there are a lot of brands reach you and they ask you to please review about our product, post a review about our product, or maybe feature our product in your website, and then you can charge for that post also.
Yeah, yeah.
Apart from that, Google ads are always there. So in case if you have good traffic, and especially the traffic from international traffic, basically you'll get a lot of money from Google ads also. So there are a lot of money making ways, and it I mean, I in my blogging, let's say, I think I made most of my money from letterspublish.com, right? And I mean, there was a time I made a lakh from letterspublish.com, but yeah, it totally depends. And yes, income from blogging depends how, you have to be very consistent. Let me tell you my experience. In the last 1 2 years, I was not quite actively working, so of course my earning drops from the blog. So it totally depends on how much time you are giving and how effort you are putting into the work.
Yeah, yeah.
I hope I
So
could make some sense.
yes, yes. There is a lot of opportunity. Just we need to pitch what is best for us. And coming to a personal question, you recently shifted to Bangalore, it seems, from New Delhi. So how it will affect your blogging? Because the environment is different and you have different locations to
I
deal with.
think Bangalore seems to be a good opportunity for us in many ways. I think so. I mean, though I'm missing Delhi a lot, I'm missing a lot of Delhi events and all. Delhi is a hub for each and everything. A lot of events are happening. You have to go and you meet new people. There are a lot of new opportunity also. But anyways, uh, migrating to Bangalore was quite easy for us. We settled in 2 3 weeks only, and now we shifted to a very beautiful place, and we have almost everything available here. So we did a lot of videos also. we I actually started my YouTube channel after shifting to Bangalore. So that is the
Yes.
happy thing about it.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And
Yeah.
you will not believe it. I started video editing also. I recently edited one very beautiful video, and it is live on my Instagram. And a lot of people love that video. I mean, there
Yeah,
was
I
a
saw
lot
your
of people
YouTube.
especially called me. They said, "Oh my God, you created such a beautiful video." So we shooted that video here only at our home, and then we edited also. So yeah, I'm
So
really
we,
happy about it.
I
And
would like to see
honestly,
more.
it's been a great movement for us.
Yeah, I would like to see more of those videos. They are very cute actually.
I
So
think I'll
Dhruvi,
be creating one more soon.
your daughter name is Dhruvi ka? Dhruvi.
Yeah, Druvika.
Yeah, Junior Yogita. She is like a doll. So how you manage with such a small kid and you have a lot of things. Before that, you used to attend so many events and all celebrity events. I saw many posts in Facebook and your social media
Yeah, I
channel.
know. I miss those
So
things.
now it is very difficult, right? But how you are managing was?
Uh, See, with Rubika, of course, I think I mentioned prior also, my work suffered a lot in last 2 3 years.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, it suffered from just before my wedding and all, because I was so dedicated in the preparations and all. And then I got married, and there are a lot of travel and pregnancy and then baby. Now I think I'm trying to back on the work. So yeah, I would say my work suffered almost for 2.5 years. And now with Rubika, what I'm doing in this lockdown actually, what I'm doing, I'm working when she is sleeping. So most of the time she's sleeping at 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. So I work from 9 p.m. to 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. Like it totally depends till the time I'm feeling sleepy. So I'm working in that way. Also, I have a very supporting husband, and of course, we have a good house help also. So she is coming from yesterday only. Yeah, she was not coming because of the corona, but now she's coming. So I think so I will be able to make more time for my work.
Mm-hmm. Good. And coming to this lockdown, we are in a situation where COVID pandemic is going on, and I think for bloggers, online marketers, or digital marketers, it is not a big effect. But how about the new people who want to enter into online marketing or online career? I think this is the right opportunity for them.
Uh, yes, this, I mean, online marketing, I think because of this corona, India, the retail market will suffer a lot for sure,
Hmm.
right? And at that time, this is a great opportunity for all the, bloggers, digital content creators right now, also for the new budding bloggers to start it
Yes.
because they are at home, they have internet connection, they can study a lot of things and then they can create their content. I mean, everyone has a lot of time these days. I personally feel that that's why I'm able to work now.
Yeah, yeah. This is a best opportunity anyone can get because everybody is sitting
Yeah,
in
I mean,
home.
we can connect with
So,
the friends and all. We can connect with the seniors. We can definitely check a lot of YouTube tutorials. YouTube is filled with a lot of tutorials. Our blogs have a lot of good content about it. So just in case if anyone want to start anything, like my husband started exercising. Like
mhm.
you can take this challenge to be a blogger this lockdown, and
Yeah,
I'm sure it's going to extend also. So yeah, you will have ample of time.
yeah, that is good. And what about you? And what are your future plans because of these lockdowns and all? So, is there any change in your schedule or goals or anything, or you are going as usual?
I just mentioned that I think I just started the after in the night from the lockdown time only, right? So I think what I will continue this. I will continue this routine for me forever, at least till the time I don't have time in the day, or maybe Druvika is not going to school. So of course I will try to work every single evening after whenever she'll go to sleep. And I'm doing that, and I'm really happy about it because at least I'm working. I'm publishing blogs on my websites. I'm creating YouTube content, and I'm doing a lot of photo shoots and all these days. Photo shoots and all for Druvika, for me. So yeah, I think this is a very
A
happy thing
lot of
about us. And
lot
and
of
we
work.
actually made this corner specially for the photos and videos, so
Yeah, I am
we have
observing
good.
that background also. It looks very good. Good for vlogging also. So two in
Yeah,
one.
that's right.
You are using your space at your best. So, okay, Yogita, and is there any final thoughts for our audience?
Guys, take care. घर पे रहिए. I mean, please be at home. Make most of your time indulge in, uh, indulge in, explore some new hobbies. Blogging, social media is such a great place where you can explore a lot of things, where you can make a hell lot of money if you are doing in a right way. And yeah, you can start writing. It could be any language, it could be any free platform. You just don't need to have a self-hosted website to blog. You can go for blogger.com, wordpress.com. You can even write Instagram blogs. There are a lot of people who are doing Instagram blogs now. So yeah, make sure you do those kind of blogs. And yeah, I think stay home, enjoy your
And
time.
what about your blogs? Please let my audience know what are your blogs and all, if you can.
Blogging may I am actually
Hi, your
till the
blogs,
time I think I was very
list of
confused
blogs.
what I want to do in
Vlogging also
blogging.
is there now.
Yeah.
What is your
So I
YouTube
am
channel?
actually my YouTube channel, Hishi and Babies, mostly will be about Dhruvika, me, our lifestyle, parenting tips and all, and some really cute videos of Dhruvika, baby milestones and all. I think Dhruvika is my personal model.
I think
And I
within few
take very
years
good pictures of
he
her
will be a best
and I
blogger.
upload those videos.
Within a few years, she will become another good blogger.
She is, I think, she always get a lot of good comments and all and messages when we upload her pictures. Even on her Instagram, she is on Instagram also. Ruvika Gupta is her Instagram page.
Okay, that's it, guys. This is my first interview. I felt very nervous initially, but
Even
Yogita,
I was. We never did interview like that,
yeah,
but
this is very first interview of mine.
I
Thank
hope it turned
you.
out to be good enough.
Yeah, it seems very good because of you, because I felt very relaxed. Otherwise, I am too nervous a person. And also, you can check it out, Yogita Agarwal Gupta. In description, I am leaving all the social handles and websites, vlogs, whatever she does. And thank you, Yogita, for giving me this
Thank you,
opportunity.
Dhruv, for having me also. And it was a great change. And of course, I think it will turn out to be a great interview for the people who are into blogging or who want to enter into the blogging. And I
Yeah,
hope
there
we
are.
could help them at least a few in their blogging journey.
Yes, exactly. Thank you so much. And
Thank
please
you.
stay home and stay safe.
Yeah, please, you too. You
Thank you.
guys do something interesting.
Yes. Bye bye.
Bye. Take care.
Thank you.